The only statement correct about how cluster of cells in mammary lobes is known as. The terminal structure of the mammary glands through which milk is sucked out is known as. A. Loop. Right. Several mammary ducts join to form. A. Mammary lobe. B. Alveoli. C. Mammary ampulla. D. Lactiferous duct. Wrong. Immature male germ cells are known as. A. Spermatid. B. Right. Spermatogonium undergoes. A. Reduction division. B. Meiosis. Right. What does A represent in the figure? A. Lymph vessels. B. Blood vessels. C. Nerve fibers. D. Ligament. Right. What is indicated by C in the figure? A. Primary follicle. B. Second follicle. C. Tertiary follicle. Right. What does F represent in the figure? A. Right. What does A represent in the figure? A. Ovum. B. Oogonium. C. Mature follicle. D. Right. Each spermatogonium is and has number of chromosomes. A. N. 45. B. 2N. 23. C. 2N. 46. D. N. 46. Right. The spermatogonia which undergo meiosis are known as. A. Sperm. B. Spermatid. C. Secondary spermatocyte. Right.